Hi there, welcome to Raven's Reads. I'm Raven, and today I want to talk to you briefly about the book I just finished reading called The Sound of the Wild Snail Eating. Now this book, I thought the title was a metaphor for something else. No, it literally is all about snails. You see, the author, Elizabeth Tova Bailey, she had a viral illness that left her bedridden, lying on her back. She couldn't move. Her friend brought her a plant and a snail from outside in the garden. And that snail ended up keeping Bailey company. She laid down day and night on the bed and she could just look at the snail. And it really did help her in her recovery, as the snail's movements are so slow and she was physically confined to the space that she was in. It did help her to relate her own illness and her recovery with the way this snail lives. Not only that, when she did recover, she was able to research all about snails. And she learned so much about the class, species, genus of snails. She shared all these details in the book. It's not boring, don't worry, I promise you, it was very interesting. I couldn't put it down. But it got me thinking about something. Ever since I was a little girl, I have been terrified of beetles, like worms, snails, all the little crawly, creepy things that live outside. My experience with snails has been trying to avoid stepping on them as I walk on the sidewalk after a rainfall when they're out making their journeys across from one lawn to another. After reading this book, it made me realize something. I don't have to be afraid. And I want to take you on a short journey as I overcome my fear of snails. Stay tuned. Okay?
You got it.
Oh,
What are you, your phone?
no, it's okay. That's good enough. Okay. I did it. Oh gosh, let's go. I did it. Okay, bye.